In this video, you'll learn how to use section views in Onshape, a tool that lets you virtually cut through your model for better clarity. You'll learn how to apply section views in Part Studio, use them inside assemblies. Let's get started. We'll begin in a Part Studio. Click the section view located near the view cube at the top right of your workspace. Now choose a plane to section like right, top, or front, or click directly on the custom face or reference plane. Let's select the right plane. Here you can see the live preview appears. So you can also use the flip button to change the cut direction. Okay, when you're working with multi-body parts, you can choose to include or exclude specific bodies for the section view. To exclude parts, open the Exclude tab in the Section View dialog. Then choose the part you want to exclude. The preview updates to reflect your selection. Now, if you want to include specified parts, then switch to Include tab. Activate the option to include parts and select the desired parts. The selected parts will be shown in the section view, or drag the offset slider to move the section depth forward or backward. Once you're really satisfied, click the green check mark to apply and confirm the section view. Here you can see the preview appears. Now, click on the small cube icon below the view cube once again and select Turn off section view from the menu. The full model reappears in the graphic area, restoring the default view. So section view is purely for visual appeal. It won't alter your model. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment with what you like to learn next.